periodic motion. Earth completes its rotation in how many hours? Earth completes its rotation in? Hello. How many time does the Earth take to do its rotation? Guys, this is such a basic question. How much time does the Earth take to complete rotation? About 24 hours, no? To be specific, 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds. Okay. So say that Earth started to do rotation. Okay, now it has started to do rotation. Let us say we are taking a straight line here. So it is going to do rotation, and it is going to complete one rotation like this about its axis in 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds. So after 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds, it is again going to rotate on its axis. So the time taken here is fixed now. Does it occur? Does it happen that today the Earth took about 24 hours, the next day it took 25 hours, the other day it took 26 hours? That's not the case now. Yes. So it is doing a complete rotation on its axis in a fixed interval of time. So thereby it's a periodic motion. Getting it what I'm trying to say.
Yes, sir.
Abu Bakr, you getting it now? Good. So that is the case of the periodic motion, when a particular kind of motion will be repeated after a fixed interval of time, that is said to be periodic motion. Okay, that is one thing. Okay, now so we'll be continuing it in the next class. Next class we'll be learning about oscillation and time period and how you can calculate the oscillation and time period of a pendulum. Okay, that's it for today. We'll be continuing from the next class.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yes, you're welcome. Bye.
Allah.
Allah Hafiz.
Hello, Gianna. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Okay, that's great. How's the preparation and revision going on, Gianna?
It's going good, sir.
It's going good. Sure, that's great. Okay, Gianna. So in the last class, we have completed the topic now.
Yes, sir.
Sure, that's great. Just a second, Gianna, please. Okay, sure. So let's start a new topic, right? So as we have discussed in the last class that we are going to start a new topic, right?
Yes, sir.
Sure, that's great. So, okay. So in the last class, we have completed the trigo part, that is the introduction, and we have done most of the types of question. And basically, we will do some of the questions when we will progress and when we will do the revision and all before your pre-boards and all. Okay. So no need to worry about it. But right now, let's discuss the syllabus part. So now the next chapter that we are going to discuss is the applications of height. Are you okay with it, Gianna, or any issue with that?
No, sir.
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
So that's great. Because I just wanted to start this chapter because this is related to the introduction. So that's why that it would be much easier to basically understand you. So right. So that is the thing. And basically, if I start the any other chapter, so that will basically have some different theory and all. So in this chapter, no theory, like minimal theory, a very basic 10 minutes theory introduction is there. But right, so after this, we'll start the circles chapter that is going in your school, so that okay, we can be parallel with the school itself, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And after that, we'll do some more. So I like when you will be having your periodics.
So math is on October 10th.
October 10th. So it means that this tomorrow, this chapter will get end by the Wednesday. So we have 3 to 4. Yeah. So how many chapters like applications of trigo is coming?
Yes.
Circles is coming.
So,
Area related to circle.
so trigonometry is not coming for.
Applications of trigo is not coming.
No, sir. 1 second.
Acha, please check and let me know the final chapters that is coming.
So trigonometry is not coming.
Okay,
The
so only
whole.
circles, area related to circles, and mensuration, right?
So only area related to circle.
Only area related to circles, single chapter is coming.
Yes, sir.
Acha, so what we can do is that we can skip the circle then, because circle and area related circle are different. Like in the area related to circle, basically most of the parts are numerical, but the circle is much more theoretical. So what we can do is that we can skip the circle. First, we will do this the area related to circle after this chapter. Okay? So that you can prepare for the periodics. Clear, Gianna?
Yes, sir. So there are 9 chapters for the
9 chapters for
exam.
periodics.
Yeah.
They're asking 9 chapters. What
Yeah.
are those?
1 to 6
अच्छा ठीक है,
chapters.
till triangles. ठीक है.
Yeah, and then 11, 12, and 14.
11th is area related to circle. 12th is mensuration, and 14th is probability or statistics. I'm a little bit. I think it's probability.
11th is area related to circle, 12th is surface
हाँ
area and volumes,
हाँ.
and
14th
14th is
is
probability.
probability. हाँ. So ठीक है. So like ठीक है. So what we can do is that after this, because probability and basically your area related to circle are much easier to score. So we will do that first. Then after that, in the remaining time, we will do the circle chapter. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sure, that's great. Or shall we start the area related to circle first?
Sir, now?
Now, because we haven't started yet. But right, because so that would like we can start the probability as well if you want.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's start the probability, because as you're saying that heights and distances are not coming, so it would be much better to start a new chapter that is coming in your exam. So that's why you can prepare for it. So
Yes.
probability or area related to circle?
So we can do area related to circle.
Okay, we can. Chalo, check area related to circle. Let's do this. We can start this with like applications of trigo. So once we will once we'll get complete with this. Okay. So just a second, let me open the questions. It's 11th now. So how did you find this chapter? Easy or tough? It is like your what I was saying, this chapter, like applications of trigo. Yes, Diana?
So applications of trigo was easy. It was okay.
Easy. So are you able to solve the questions like in the schools?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, theek hai. Okay, sure, Gianna. Let's start with the area related to circle because this chapter is a little bit more oriented towards numerical. So that's do it. Yeah, and this is very like this chapter is independent of the circle. It says that area circle, but it is not related to circle, right? Let's understand the thing first. What is sector? What is segment in the circles, right? So in the ninth class, you do you remember that ninth standard there was a thing that chord, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo, that's great. So Gianna, let's understand this thing first. Suppose that this is a circle. Just a second.
So we got a worksheet from school also
Okay, that's
for
great.
this area.
The assignment type question book,
No, a worksheet.
worksheet to practice.
Yeah, to
Check, that's great. Okay. So suppose that Gianna, these are the two circles. Okay, let me tell you what is segment, what is basically sector in this. So I have like they haven't started this chapter, na Gianna yet.
So we finished the chapter.
This chapter is done.
So we finished everything. We finished all the chapters.
14 chapters, whole syllabus of maths.
Yeah, now we are doing circles. We still have statistics left.
Only
And
statistics.
yeah, and then
And
I think one more is there.
real numbers.
Yeah, we finished that. That was the first chapter.
What kind of speed they are like with what kind of speed they are going? Is it the speed of light?
Yeah.
I don't know that how they are like how is it possible? चलो कोई बात नहीं. Let's discuss this. ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. The thing is that quality is important instead of quantity. You must have heard this thing about it, right? So they are just focusing that yeah we have covered the syllabus, but they do not know that like they just have covered the syllabus in like in not in a proper manner with the details, right? There are some minor things that could be there in your exam and you don't know, like in the schools they haven't discussed it yet, right? So these are the things. And they do not understand that the school, like this is a like very common thing in the school, that the school is not like going with the pace of every student. It's the common pace. So whether you are slow pace or fast pace, you have to go with the pace, like with that pace itself in the school what is there. So that's why don't need to worry about it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
just a second. Gianna, could you please give me a moment, Gianna? Just a second.
Yes, sir.
Actually, it's a little bit hanged in there. Okay, Gianna. So thanks so much for waiting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry for the interruption. Actually, there was some basically lagging in the system, so that's why I just had to fix this slightly. So as you can see, this thing, Gianna, that this is when basically there are two lines, right? So that is basically making a kind of angle with the center. This is the angle, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the angle. Okay. So this is the theta, right? So this basically smaller part, that is basically like a piece of cake. You must have seen that pastries are cutted in this, basically cut in this manner in the. Okay. So this is called minor sector. Okay, minor sector when two arcs are basically dividing the circle. That is minor sector. Okay. And this is called, the upper portion is called the major sector. Okay. And so, okay, so this is the major sector and minor sector. When the two arcs basically are there, okay, so when the two arcs are basically are there, so that is divided by the, that divides the circle, and this, the lower, basically the smaller part, the smaller piece of cake, understand the thing in this manner, the smaller piece of cake will be called as the sector, minor sector, and the bigger portion of the cake is called major sector. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And suppose that this is, suppose like this is a chord, this is a line, so basically this will be called as chord. So in the, basically chord is a line which cuts the circle at the 2 points. Okay. Okay. So this, the smaller portion will be called as minor segment. Could I switch off my camera, because it's a little bit lag in the
Yes, sir.
stability, instability. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. This is called minor segment. Okay. And the upper portion will be called as the major segment. Okay. Major. Check it, Jana.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the major segment, and you can say the smaller segment. Okay. So now how to calculate the area of it. Okay. So let's calculate the area of sector. So what is the total angle of the circle, Gianna? Could you please tell me?
360.
360, very good. So area of sector is calculated as 360, go theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Okay, so this is the value of the area of minor sectors, Gianna. This is the value for the area of minor sector. How to calculate the area of major sector? So area of major sector is nothing but the total area of circle minus smaller area. Right? Because if you remove the small piece of pastry, so the thing left would be this total circle minus this. So the major sector will left, right? So area of sector, major sector. That is equals to okay.
Yes, sir.
That is area of circle minus area of minor sector. Okay. Or you also say this thing that this is theta. So the remaining angle could be written as area. Oh, the remaining angle could be written as 360 minus theta. Yes or no, Gianna? So that would be divided by 360 into pi r square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt so far, Gianna?
No, sir.
Sure. Okay. So this is the value. Now what you can do is that, Gianna, if you need to calculate the area of segment. So how to calculate the area of segment? You just have to see this thing. In this, basically trigonometry will be used, Gianna. The applications of trigo. Right. So you can see this thing that this is basically the value. So how you can solve this? Just a second. So as you can see, Gianna, that if I basically, this is the area of sector, total area of sector, right? If I subtract the area of triangle, so I will get the area of segment,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's how you can calculate the area of segment. Is equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. Clear to you, Gianna?
Yes, sir.
So this is the value. Now let's understand this thing. Okay. So let's do a question based on that, Gianna. So let's solve this question, Gianna. Okay. Sorry, Gianna, if there is a delay in my voice because a little bit lag is there at my end, so sorry for that.
No, sir, it's okay. Sir, in
Yes,
school,
Gianna.
we only did one exercise from this chapter.
Acha, what? Okay, not the segment part.
So, the exercise that we did was in the new textbook. It's exercise 12.2. The 14 questions.
Exercise. Uh,
The one with 14 questions.
uh.
We only did those 14 questions.
So, Gianna, we have the new exercise book. Like I have the new exercise book in which only one part is there.
It's okay, sir. We can do this.
So I will share this PDF. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay. So in this, so that, as you can see this thing, Gianna, that they find the area of the minor sector, right? And we need to also find the area of the. Okay. We need to find the of the corresponding major sector. Now let's solve it. So there go. Theta is given is 30 degree, Gianna, yes or no? And radius is given to you 4 centimeter. Okay, and pi is given to you 3.14. So Gianna, if the pi value is given to you, na, so that is very important because in the question, if the value is given, so you have to use that value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's calculate the area of sector. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 30 degree divided by 360 degree into pi is 3.14. R is 4 into 4. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now you can see this thing, this will get cancelled. How many times? 120 times, right? And this will cancel by 30 times, right? And this will cancel twice and this will cancel 15, right? So as you can see this thing, Gianna, that it is equals to 3.14 divided by 15. Okay, 3.14 by 15. So the area would be, it is in centimeter square. Okay. So if I calculate this thing, just a second. So the value would be, just a second, I made a mistake. No? This is 20. 2 is also there. No? 2 divided by 3 minus 16. Just a second, Gianna. I think I made a mistake somewhere. This third 120. Not 120, it would be 12. 0 is already cancelled now. 12, it will cancel by 3 times. So here it would be 4. Okay. So 4 3 is 12. And here, so it would be 4. Three 3.14. into 4 divided by 3. ठीक है, so it is coming out to be 4.19 centimeter square approximately. ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
so how to calculate the area of segment, sorry, area of major sector? Either you can take the theta as 270, that 330, because 30 degrees here, so remaining would be 330, Gianna, right? So area of major sector, ठीक है, so that is or you can use the area of circle minus area of minor sector. ठीक है, so it would be much more easier. Sector. ठीक है, जो है ना,
Yes, sir.
so now calculate the area of circle. That is pi r square. That is 3.14 into 4 into 4. So it is coming out to be 16 into 3.14. ठीक है, that is coming out to be 46.1. ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, so how you now you can easily substitute the value of the circle and ठीक है, area of major sector. That is equals to 46.1 minus, that is 4.61, I think so. 4.19. 4.19 centimeter square. ठीक है, so that is equals to just not is 46.6, 48 somewhat. So this is 3.14 into 3. Just a second. 3.14 into 16. That is 50.24. ठीक है, and it would be coming out to be 46.1 centimeter square. This is the answer. Please do let me know, Gianna, if it's clear to you.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
ठीक है, okay, Gianna. So please try this question. If I give you one question, would you like to try?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Try to solve this question. If not, we'll solve it together. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, let's do solve this one. Any answer, Gianna?
Sir, I found area of minor sector 462
You have to
centimeters.
find the value of segment, Gianna. Segment.
Yeah, so to find segment after minus sector and the
The segment AYB.
sorry.
No, nothing. Please tell me, what answer did you get?
So to find the minor segment after minus
Use
the
देखो,
minus.
I'm giving you one hint. Use, देखो, if you draw a perpendicular over here, it will be a 90 degree. So you can use the Pythagoras theorem to calculate this base. If you find any of the value, देखो, 21 is there. So it means that it is half, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you twice it, so it will be the base. Height is already height. You can also calculate using the ratios, and then you can subtract the area of minor sector and the segment. Please do let me know. Try it a little bit and let me know.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes, Gianna.
So it'll be 21 centimeter and 60 degree, right? If you half it.
Yes.
So can we do this on the board?
Oh, sure, that's great. So let's solve it together. That is, there you go. So here you can see this thing, that area. Okay. So you first of all need to find the sector, right? That is the area of sector. So let's write down the first thing. That is R is equals to 20 centimeter. Pi is given to you, that is 22 by 7. Angle AOB, this sector is given to you as 120 angle, right? Just okay. So this would be angle AOB is nothing but theta, that is equals to 120. Okay. So now we need to find the value of area of minor sector. Okay. So it would be area of minor sector that is equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. That is theta is basically 120 degree divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. Okay. Okay. So this is 3 times. Okay. And this is also 3 times. This will cancel this thing. So what is left is 22 into 21. That is centimeter square. Okay. So now we have got the value of area of minor sector. So Gianna, what you can see this thing, that I can basically draw this triangle like, yes, Gianna.
So don't we multiply that?
No, no need to multiply right it here, because I will tell you why. So देखो, if I draw this thing, Gianna, देखो, this is the triangle that we have got. So that is 60 degree, because this would be 60, right? So this is 60 degree here. So this is 60. This would be 30, Gianna, by the complementary angle. This is equals to 21. Okay. So now what we need to do is that I have the value of sine 30, and I can easily calculate the value of this OB. Suppose this is O, D. This is A and B. Okay. So this is if you see this thing, that sine 30 is equals to OD by OA. Okay. Sine 30 is equals to half, is equals to OD is divided by OD is 21 by 21 by 2. Now we have got the value of this, right, Gianna? Because thus we need the value of now we can say the base, right? So how we can calculate the base? You can use the tan, because we have got the base. Okay. So tan 30 would be equals to OD by AD. tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, is equals to OD is basically 21 by 2 times AD, right? So now we can get the value of AD as AD would be equals to 21 root 3 by 2 centimeter, right, Gianna? And the value of AD is nothing but
So I have a doubt.
yes, Gianna, please tell me.
So in sine 30, where did half come from?
Sine 30 is half.
Yeah.
Okay. Now AD is nothing but that AB is nothing but twice of AB, twice of AD. So let's multiply the 2 into 21 root 3 by 2. This is getting cancelled. Okay. Okay. So it is nothing but 21 root 3 centimeter, right? So now we have got the value of height and base. So area of triangle would be nothing but half base into height. Triangle OAB is equals to half into base is OD into AB. See, half into OD is basically your 21 by 2 and it is 21 by root 3. Okay. So this will get cancelled. So again, the value of area is coming out to be 21 root 3 by 2 centimeter square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the value of the area is coming out to be 21 root 3. Just a second. Sorry. I made a mistake. This is 21, Gianna. So I cannot cancel it. I just forgot. So this is 21 into 21 would be 441 by 4. Okay. So it is the value of now. How can calculate the value of area of minor segment is equals to area of minor sector minus area of triangle OAB. Okay. So how it is? So area of minor sector is Gianna 22 into 21 minus. So I'm writing it as it is 21 into 21 root 3 divided by 4 so that I can take 21 as common. That is in centimeter square. Okay. So that is 21 can be taken out common. So left is 21. So 22 minus 21 root 3 by 4, right? Centimeter square. So that is 22 into 4 would be 88 minus of 21 root 3 by 4. Yes or no, Gianna, after taking the LCM? So that would be, so this will cancel this twice, 11 times. Okay. So what left is 11. Okay. So it is 11 into 88 minus 21 root 3 by 2. Clear, Gianna?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is coming out to be the
So can't 2 cancel 88?
Gianna, this is a complete denominator. It's not in the denominator. If you do not take the, you can say LCM, so it will cancel it. But because they go, it will not cancel because 4 is there, right? In LCM we have taken, that's how the 88 is coming, right? So that's why it is the value of this. Please do let me know, Gianna, if it's clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts so far to you, Gianna?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great, Gianna. That's great. So, okay, so these kinds of questions will be there, right? So please do let me know the answer for this question and the class will be done. Okay? Please do let me know the answer.
So what will happen if
Mhm.
you multiply 22 into 21?
Like the answer will remain same, Gianna, but the thing is that we have to ultimately take common or to look at a little bit more simplified. So that's fine. Clear, Gianna?
Yes, sir.
Any answer, Gianna?
So I got 132 by 7. I'm dividing that.
Okay.